5 Best Pocket Knife. Here is the product number 5 NEWACALOX Mini Pocket. Brand name, NEWACALOX. Handled material, stainless steel. DIY supplies, woodworking. Is _ customized, yes. Blade material, steel. Model number, MC005. Type, pocket knife. Total length, 9.3 cm. Blade length, 4.3 cm. Here is the product number 4 Ghillie Design Portable. Brand name, Ghillie. Model number, Mini Folding Knife. DIY supplies, woodworking. Blade material, stainless steel. Is _ customized, yes. Type, pocket knife. New design portable stainless steel handle folding pocket knife. Tactical rescue hunting knife. Outdoor camping BDC survival tools. Here is the product number 3 Hinmay Mini Bird Gift. Brand name, Hinmay DIY supplies, woodworking type, pocket knife. Handled material, plastic blade material, ceramic ABS made from zirconium oxide, which is antibacterial, anti-fouling, non-toxic and non-corrosive. Super hard, high density and sharp blade, not easy to be blunt. Here is the product number 2 ANENG 1-piece Mini Fold. Brand name, ANENG. Handled material, stainless steel. Model number, 1141. DIY supplies, electrical. Is _ customized, yes. Blade material, steel. Type, pocket knife. Application, utility knife. Here is the product number 1 ANENG 1-piece Mini Fold. Brand name, ANENG. Handled material, stainless steel. Blade material, stainless steel. DIY supplies, electrical. Is _ customized, yes. Model number, XX1141. Type, pocket knife. Application, utility knife.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like. Comment and share.